Hi everyone, so today I want to share with you this really cute dress that I got. The only thing is that I love these type of sleeves, but I just don't like this poofiness. So this type of style is one of those old styles. I find it's very cute, very flattering. The only thing is that my body shape doesn't fit nicely with these puffy, like see how it's puffed out like a square? I like it more like a round. So I'm going to show you how I fix the shoulder. So first, you're going to need a needle like this, okay? And any type of light thread. I'm using a white one. And then I'm going to make a knot. Okay, so hold your hand like this at the end. You're going to wrap around one. And then I'm just kind of, twisting it like this so that it creates these like twists, and then I'm gonna pull it to the end like that, and that's how you create a knot. After you create a knot, see, you're just going to eyeball. Be very careful. I'm doing this because I'm somewhat experienced in doing this, but if you're not, you can just try to like wear it and see where you feel you need the adjustments. So that looks good to me. So all I'm doing is take this poofy part right here and I'm just tucking it in. So I'm grabbing it like this, tucking it in to the inside like that. See? So by that poofy part is inside here, so that it's more of a curve like this. And from here, you can either pin it or ask someone to do this for you. This is a lot easier if you have someone to help you, but if you're alone and you can't find someone to help, you can definitely do this on your own. So it depends on how high or tight, flat you want it. If you want it really flat, then you can push the shoulder in a bit more, right? But then if you push it too much, this is gonna, uneven. So you kind of like eyeball it. So just adjust it the way you feel you like it. See if both of it match. Okay, let's see on this side. So that side looks good. So I did this side already. Now I'm just gonna do this side. So let's see. Grab it again, tuck it in a little bit, and that looks good. Okay, so from here, go inside the bottom first so you can hide that knot. Okay, just be very careful you don't poke yourself. I'm going to pick a little bit of fabric from the shoulder, okay, from the sleeves, and sew it with the fabric on the shoulder. I'm taking a little bit of here and a little bit of here and sewing it together. It doesn't have to be perfect. Well, it can't be perfect because I'm actually right-handed, so for me to do left-handed is a bit of a challenge. So it's not the best work ever, but it works. So slowly, try not to poke yourself. It'll be nicer if you do it closer together, but just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to do it further apart. And honestly, I'm not too picky. This is just a temporary fix. I can always take it out and re-sew it properly. So I'm not too fussy. So you see how I didn't cut the other side of the fabric? That's why it's not lined together. So I'm just gonna grab that. See how it closes? Okay? So once you have roughly sewn it, just kind of like look at it and see if you're happy with it. And then if you are, you can continue. So just a few more, okay? Sorry guys, I'm doing this from my phone, so it's a little hard to see, and I'm getting there. Okay, so make sure you grab some hair from the sleeves and some hair from the other side. See? Yep. So once you have that, okay, and it looks good, I'm going to do a knot. So by doing a knot, I'm just going to go back at the same part, okay, and the knot is, once you get there, you try to tuck the needle inside like this, okay, into the hole, and then pull it out, and that creates a knot. And then after that, you can go inside to wherever, okay, so about there. So I'm just cutting it a little further away so it's not too close to the knot, and just cut it off. And that is how I kind of quick fix DIY the shoulders to make it less poofy. And see how much cuter it looks? See? So like I said, you can do this as a rough sew and then, you know, take off the dress and, you know, sew it more neatly. Because again, if I had someone to do this, wear it and I sew it a lot easier, but sometimes you don't and you have to do it yourself. So it does the job for now, and I'm just gonna wear it out today, and then when I come home, before I wash it, I'll probably go over and just clean it up. And that is how you fix the shoulders for these cute dresses. I do a lot of DIY stuff because, you know, when you're alone, you need to learn how to take care of yourself, and these are little things, hacks that I do just to get me by, and it helps me to buy nice stuff, very cheap. This was only like under $20, and it's very cute. And I hope that you enjoy this video. All of my videos on YouTube is to help raise awareness against human trafficking and child exploitation, which is the matter that I care deeply about. And when you're watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, you're helping me be a bigger voice and raising funds for my charity. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!